Benefits of Korean pear and bellflower tea. If you struggle with cough, sore throat, or phlegm, Korean pear and bellflower tea might be your best friend. And the pear? It's rich in luteolin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces airway inflammation and boosts your immune system. It also has platinum, a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient that soothes swollen, painful throats. Together, they create a gentle, natural remedy, perfect for the cold season. If your throat needs comfort today, this tea is worth a try.